Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to connect Notion to Sync Task Full Guide. Start by selecting a sync method and granting workspace access so the integration can read and write tasks. Next, map your task fields like title, due date, and status to avoid duplicates. Finally, test with a small batch of tasks and verify changes. Sync both ways if you chose two-way synchronization. Prepare your Notion workspace calmly before linking anything. First, create a single task database and add properties such as due date, assignee, status, and priority so every field has a matching counterpart. Clean up old or archived tasks to reduce clutter. Use consistent naming and property types, and lock down permissions so only trusted integrations can modify tasks during the sync process. Now set up the sync tool step by step in a relaxed way. Install or open the connector, then authenticate with your Notion account through the recommended secure flow. Select the Notion task database and the target app or service, and carefully map each field like title, due date, and status. Enable conflict rules, run an initial dry run, and inspect results before enabling live syncing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.